Hello! For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own cardigan. You will need a 3.5mm crochet hook and a 250 grams of each color of the yarn. But this is a suggestion. You can choose any color you like. You will also need a darning needle, but not the sharp one, like this one. For the granny square, there are plenty of tutorials you can find in YouTube, but if you want my tutorial, I will give you the link in my description or above this video. You will need to make a 63 granny squares in total, each with 5 rounds. Once you completed your 63 granny square, I'm going to show you how to connect the granny square in an easy way. Cut a yarn. You can choose the last color of the round. For example, if you have the pink one, you can choose pink one, but for this tutorial, I'm going to show you in the white color. Insert your darning needle. This is a 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Insert your darning needle in the one chain, in the middle, in the center of the corner right here, going to the next stitch. Okay, you just need to insert at the center of the loop stitch and leave a tail. And then same thing on the other side of the granny square. Take the one chain to the next stitch. Okay, so this is 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Take the one chain here to the next. Then alternately insert your darning needle on the recent stitch right in here to the next stitch. And then also the other side, in the other side of the granny square, take the recent one to the next. Okay, then just repeat alternately, the recent to the next. And then in here to the next. Then continue doing until to the same side of the corner. Okay, so in here to the next. And then the last one in here. And then now you can pull the yarn. Okay, and this is what it looked like on the front and in the back side. And then now same thing in the next granny square. You will insert your darning needle on the same side of the corner like we did on the first granny square that we make. So you insert right here and then take this one chain going to the next. Okay, so continue doing this one until you will connect all this one, and then when you reach 2T, you pull the granny square close to each other. This is what it looked like at the back and in the front. And then same thing when you turn, you can do the same like we did. Just need to place the this one, the yarn. For the layout of the cardigan, originally this is from Celine. You can check out her YouTube channel. And if you want this photo, I can send you, or you can join in my Discord so you can see this layout. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.